Hi, you're at right place. Welcome to Belko algorithm. This is a 1-minute small video regarding our computer and laptop repairing service.
Ever feel like your computer's plotting against you? That's because it probably is. But fear not, Belko algorithm is here to foil its dastardly plans. Welcome to Belko algorithm, where we speak fluent tech and broken computer. Our team of super techies uses their X-ray vision to see right through those sneaky hardware issues and software gremlins. We don't just repair, we care. We'll nurse your tech back to health. And we promise no sticker shock therapy. At Belko algorithm, we believe in tech transparency. No tech jargon, no mumbo-jumbo, just straight talk and action-packed repairs. Life's too short for slow computers and endless loading screens. That's why we're quick on the draw, faster than you can click Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Belko algorithm, saving your digital day. One repair at a time, drop by our lair or give us a buzz. And watch your tech troubles vanish into thin air.